Om Shri Sai Ram. Life definitely has its ups and downs, but a single lamp can ward off all the darkness that can surround us. So here we are, my dear friends, to celebrate the grandest of all festivals that Indians look forward to celebrate. And if you're curious to know what that festival is, continue watching this video. My dear friends, let us all come together and celebrate grandly this festival of lights, that is Deepavali. Why is Diwali so important for all of us? For the Hindus, in the Treta Yuga, it is believed that Lord Rama came back after conquering and winning over Ravana and completing his 14 years of exile. And in the Dwapara Yuga, Lord Krishna won over Narakasura. So it is easily understood that this is a celebration of the victory of good over evil. Now the Sikhs, they celebrate Diwali because it is believed that on this date, their Guru Har Gobind Singh returned from a prison. Jains celebrate Diwali because it is on this date that Mahavira attained Nirvana. And Buddhists also celebrate this festival. So let us not dissect like who is celebrating, but come along, let all of us together celebrate this festival of lights. Diwali, my dear friends, is celebrated for 5 days in North India. It actually falls 20 days after Vijayadashami, and there is also a day when it is dedicated for the bonding of brothers and sisters. And of course, on the day of Diwali, people wake up early in the morning, have a oil bath, because the season that's going to come is winter and everybody's scalp and skin is really very dry. So this oil bath is something that is really very mandatory. And how can we imagine Diwali without the bursting of crackers? So come along, let us also enjoy this scenario of bursting crackers. In this context, I would like to add a few tips so that this Diwali becomes safe also. All the children out there who are bursting crackers, make sure that there is some elder supervising you bursting the crackers and having all the fun. Don't try to burst a cracker that has not bursted in the first instance. And yeah, all of us want to show that we are brave, but don't have a cracker in your hand and throw it in the air, because that can be really disastrous for us and for anybody who may come in that way suddenly. The final tip that I would like to give all of you is to wear a mask. Now all of us got so used to wearing a mask, isn't it? Why I am telling this now is because the smoke that comes out of the crackers can actually cause some breathing problem or sinus or some allergies to some of you. So follow all these tips, go and have a lot of fun, but also remember that crackers cause a lot of pollution. It can be noise pollution or it can contaminate the air also. And there are a lot of people who are thinking nowadays whether it's actually necessary to burst crackers. But I leave it open to all of you. It is a decision that has to be taken at the personal level. If you're bursting crackers, make sure that you take all these precautions. Go ahead and have fun. And no celebration can be complete without a beautiful dance from our girls. And when we have so many reasons to celebrate during Diwali, why are we holding ourselves back? So get set, my dear friends, to watch a fantastic and colorful dance put up by our girls with lamps, with flowers, offering our prayers and obeisance to Goddess Lakshmi. My dear friends, let us not worry about the tough times that we have gone through, but fix our gaze to future and fill it with positivity. So at this juncture, when Goddess Lakshmi walks into our life, let the sparkle in your eyes and in your smile be brighter than the diyas that you light. Let your laughter outdo the crackers that are bursting everywhere in this scenario. And let your thoughts and words be sweeter than the delicacies you offered as prasadam. So, let us, in short, be healthy, happy, and let us invite prosperity. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Join this family because there's a lot of fun, happiness, positivity and celebration happening in our channel. So I'm reminding you to subscribe to the channel in case you have not. Give in the comments below how you look forward to celebrate Diwali in your own homes. And finally, stay tuned, stay fine, be happy, be gorgeous. Thank you. Happy Diwali, Jai Sai Ram.